Wala. Basta nakalistad niyang bulagta, extrajudicial killing. Maybe the 4,100 plus. Sabi ng police, they were killed because they offered to resist violently. Then I take full responsibility for it. Sabi ko sa police, sa military, magtrabaho lang kayo. And if it is done in accordance with the rules of law, and there is the only one. There are two, of course, it's one chapter, but if it is in self-defense, in the performance of a duty, you think that you lose your, not only your pants, but your life, then you have to kill. Go ahead. Then in defense of a relative, o inaatake ng mga drogista or a stranger, being killed, hold up kasi walang pera, pandruga, then go ahead. It will be my pleasure to see dead criminals.